All right, so to change our used filter cartridge, we're gonna turn this cap here counterclockwise, and you'll feel it turn once and then stop. You wanna keep turning it until it starts to separate from the housing. All right, so we pulled out our cartridge here. Now we're gonna separate our cartridge from this cap by again turning counterclockwise till it stops, and then you can kind of wiggle it off the rest of the way. Now when you do that, you wanna make sure that this cap bumper stays in place. All right, now we're gonna take our used filter and discard it and put our new one in. All right, so I have our new cartridge here, and I've gone ahead and taken off the 2 stickers. So I have our cap here, and you can see that there's 2 tabs on either side. We're gonna line that up with these slots on our cartridge. On both sides, just line it up with the slots, and then I'm gonna give it a turn clockwise to lock it in place. So now it's time to put this back into our housing. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of pressure and then turn it clockwise till I hear it click in place. Now I'm gonna turn the water on, let it run for about a minute just to get any air out of the system, and that's how you change your cartridge filters. I hope it went well for you. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to the Delta Faucet customer service team. They're happy to help.